Hello, my name is George and welcome to Astro Advanced Analytics. When you first enter Astro, you'll be taken to the price list page. Here you can do a bulk upload of your supplier's price list and view the winners. There are multiple ways that you can do a bulk upload. You can either click bulk upload here, or if your supplier's list is empty, you can just drag and drop your price list in there. Next, you want to choose an identifier type. How are you going to be finding the ASINs on Amazon? If you have a list of ASINs, you can just use the ASIN. But otherwise, if you're using UPCs, click on UPC and then you need to start matching the columns. The only 2 points of information that Astro needs is an identifier and a price. But if you want to include further information from your supplier, you can click on all these as well. We can bring in the item number, we're going to give it a description, and let's get some other additional points of information. Let's also add the case pack and the shelf life. When we're ready, just go ahead and hit import, and it's going to start importing the list into Astro. If you like, you can also edit the supplier's name. So let's go ahead and edit this one. You can also apply a category to it if you want. Let's add a new category and call it groceries. And let's select this category for this item.